What's up? It's your girl Quisha, and I am back with a new video. In this video, I am making flaxseed gel. I'm making flaxseed gel, and I'm making hair growth grease. So if y'all want to see me do that, I suggest y'all continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can know when the next time your girl posting. But go ahead and watch this video, girl. Oh, one more thing. When y'all making this gel, y'all see how it boiled over onto my stove? Yeah. Watch this when y'all making this because, girl, it will boil over. Y'all see how I did this? Don't do this how I did this. I made a mess. But yeah, go ahead and finish watching. I'ma just say I wouldn't be me if I didn't make a mess. Y'all do not use no little bowl to squeeze this gel into. Girl. Girl, not to make this hair growth grease, I use Sulfur 8, Do Grow, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and Wild Growth Oil, you know? And I use this little jar thing just to put it in. But yeah, girl, I mean, this is not my first time using it. The first time I used it, I'm like, okay, maybe this is working for my hair. So I'm like, let me try it again, keep it going. Maybe my hair keep growing. But girl, since you got this far, why not subscribe? And go ahead, hit that bell. And like too, boo. I love all y'all.